Alright, now, as far as front-end editing goes, here on the website, you can be on the front of the website, and you can actually edit from this area, but you need to log in using your account. Once you're logged in, up here on this, you have a separate menu, and you can click on Submit an Article. This will generate a box which you can put all your information. So start by adding a title. We're just going to put in title 2. Again, the alias will be automatically generated with dashes between different words. It's important that if you do use specific words in your title, that they relate to your genre. So skateboarding or decks or BMX bikes or tires or something along those lines. So here you can add in your text just as you do in the back end. If you want to add a photo, again, you can go right in to your image manager and pick a folder of what you're looking for. So let's just say event posters. It's going to bring it up in the next window, give you a list of what's there, show you the details in a preview. This is the ideal width of your basic photos online. 300 pixels should be your width. So when you're editing your images, consider that you should have a thumbnail, which is a very small photo, a medium photo, and a large photo. So if you want your users to see a large photo of something, you can always link it to it. Again, check over all these areas. Make sure the alternate text is there, your dimensions. Whatever you do, I'm just telling you, if you have a really large image, don't change the dimensions down here, because the file size will still remain the same even though it renders in a smaller dimension. You can click left, right, top, middle, bottom. We're going to keep it to the left. I wouldn't worry about clear. If you want a margin, typically, again, I say 10 pixels. Click insert. If you want to move your text, just hit enter. And go ahead, scroll down. Here in the publishing section, you can add your category here, front page articles, etc., etc., etc. If you want to put your name in, you put it in, but the author of your article will automatically post. You want it to be published. If you want it to be featured on the front page, you can click there. If you want a specific start and end date, you can add it here or click on the calendar icon. If you want it to be for everyone to see, you can click public. Or if you only want it to be seen by your registered users, you click here. But as a rule, keep it to public. If this is a specialized, important article that you want to feature, I would put in a meta description, which is just a description of the article. Usually the first 40 to 50 words of your article is good to put in this area. And down here below are keywords, which are specific words that stand out, will help your article stand out, etc. So from this point, then you go ahead and you click save. just waiting for it to finish. There we go. Now we're done. Now looking here at the front end, if there's an article you want to check on and edit, within your article you should be able to edit the article. Click on it, it'll open the box. So here's your article. Now this area, you don't see any text, you'll have to highlight it because it's just rendering out the text as being white, so it's not showing up on a white background. So highlight it, find your spot, click on it, and you can make any changes. And then typically just click save and close.